YouTube, what's good, family? I'd like to say thank you all once again for tuning right back into your boy. If you haven't already, before we get this video started, please like, comment, and go ahead and sub to the channel. Excuse me. We're on our way to 10,000 subs. We going up, we lit. So I truly appreciate each and every one of you all for helping me get there. Today is a video I've been waiting to do for a while. You guys have been seeing me talk about this a lot on the channel. Fits and kicks, where I take some of the freshest fits and match them up with some of the Flyest kicks. So today I've been like I hope you guys like this, because I kind of feel like I'm kind of disservicing y'all by showing you guys my Ralph Lauren stuff. And I'll show you guys that, but it's a lot of other fly things that I have that I don't show you as well. That's why I preach my Instagram a lot, trying to tell you guys to go sub and follow my Instagram. Follow my Instagram so you guys can see other outfits that I have. Not only do I rock Ralph Lauren, even though I know that's why a majority of you guys here, I have other fly, fly things that I put together as well. So you guys, once again, I'm super happy to bring you guys this video. Make sure you like this video, comment, and with all these outfits you guys finna see, let me know if you guys might mix some up different, maybe a shirt with these sneakers, or maybe this shirt with these jeans. Comment down below and let me know. So alright, you guys, let's go ahead and get this video started. First fit that I'm gonna show you all. If you guys haven't checked out my previous videos, I went to Nordstrom and I did like a little preview of this brand right here. It's called Dye Starts Monday. It's probably in your local mall or retail stores. If you can't find it, Dye Starts Monday has a website. You definitely can find it in Nordstrom, Sneaker Politics, stores like that. Nothing really different on this shirt. I really like this shirt right here just because of the color context, the pink, the green, and the black, just distressed black. As you can see, I had these distressed jeans on. Now, these jeans are definitely what I do with this shirt. I ordered another pair of distressed jeans that I wanted to do for the video, but they didn't come in, so I'm gonna just rock these for this video. So, as y'all can see this shirt right here, Dye Start Monday, dope shirt, man. And they kind of run like the, I don't want to say crop, but it's like at the back of the shirt. It's like kind of like, not really crop. It's kind of just like a weird wear. But I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is shirt one right here. Y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. All right, now for the next shirt, which happens to be my favorite of all the shirts. This right here, another Dye Start Monday shirt. Now all three of these outfits that I'm putting together will all be Dye Start Monday. Now this shirt right here stood out to me just basically because I feel like the pink in the shirt, it popped along with the what's that, lime green. Just everything I feel like with this shirt popped along with the cream. Ain't that on the back? Along with the cream that they put on this shirt right here. So this was a super dope shirt as well. Excuse me, as well. Don't know what's going on in my throat today. Super dope shirt as well that I actually got, I think, a dope outfit that I'm gonna put together with this. So you guys make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this outfit. So the sneakers, I can't wait to let you guys see the sneakers now. The sneakers, when it comes to this outfit, is I'm kind of all over the place with it. Not really, it's just two pair of sneakers that I want to choose from. As you can see the box right here, you probably already know what these is. We're gonna get to them. But with the sneakers, I probably definitely need you guys' help to see what sneaker look best to go with this shirt. But yeah, let's move on to shirt number 3. Now on to the last shirt, last but not least. Look kind of similar, right? Because it is same shirt, just a different concept with the distressed look. I just kind of hate my distressed jeans that I want to show you guys. Didn't come in yet, but it's all good. I'm using ones that I already have for this video. Basically the same shirt. What really got me on this shirt is because it was dark. Well, you can say black. And I always feel that I like the black distressed look. I feel like that's just a subtle look that you can get away with anything with. So let's go on to the sneakers. You guys let me know what sneakers that will probably rock best with this. Now I'm gonna show you guys all 3 shirts with the sneakers. So you guys let me know which sneaker go well with the shirt. So all of my sneaker heads, I'm pretty sure you know what this box is. If you see this box, if you don't know what this box is, these are Nike Off-Whites. I think they call them Off-White mids, Air Force Ones basically. But so I snatched these up because I actually thought that these would go with the sneakers. So let's take a look at them. Yes, these joints right here, super hard to me. black. They also got the little ashy distressed looking these as well. And I was a big fan of these shoes when I bought them at first. Like my first pair was I think the all green pair, but not only when I put these joints on, like they're super comfortable. I don't know if it's because this bottom right here, they got at the bottom of it. But these shoes are like they don't feel like natural Air Force One mid. They're like a lot of cushion at the bottom of these. So we grab these Air Force Ones right here, these mids. So let's get into the next sneaker that I want to show you guys that I may match up with these shirts. And the next sneaker are these Air Force One undefeated low tops. And I'm pretty sure you guys can see where I'm going with this, with the black, the pink, and like the, what is this, lime? I don't know, sometimes it's like two different greens. So you guys can definitely see why I chose this shoe to match up with these shirts right here. Super dope look. I think the colorway is these sneakers definitely make any one of these sneakers honestly pop, but I really feel like these will pop right here with these outfits. So you guys, what we gonna do next is something different. I'm going to show you guys how I would wear each one of these outfits versus how I would style each one of these outfits. And that will wrap up, you guys, the first segment of Fits and Kicks. I truly hope you guys like that, man. I want to get to start doing that more, bringing you guys more outfits versus how I will wear it versus how I will style it. Just something different. As I promised y'all, I will show my face more on the channel this year than just showing me in the stores like that. Because I really truly want to get to doing more segments like this, showing you guys sneakers and outfits, basically how I will wear it. And with that being said, y'all, make sure to comment down below. Let me know if you like the Air Force Ones, the low tops better, or if you like the high top, well, mid top off-white joints better, which shirts you like better. Comment down below. Let me know all that good stuff. And before I let you guys get out of here, y'all, we are on our way to 10,000 subs. Let's try to get that by the end of the year. That would be huge for me, a huge goal for me. Thank y'all, because none of this is possible without you guys. And last but not least, I know like you guys may have a question why I didn't show this last shirt right here, because it was identical to the cream shirt. And basically what I was gonna do with this shirt was the same thing I did with the first shirt in the video, same accessories, same everything. So that's why I didn't show you guys this shirt again. Didn't want to show you basically the same outfit twice. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, and like this video. And I'm out.
Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound. Niggas vibes are out because I'm on now. Way up and I stay up like a drone now. Can't say sorry if I hit you with the mix. It's probably cause you hit me with the switch. Ay, came in clubbing every time we hit the Ville. Tropicana twisted, baby girl just wanna. Riding in the car, you probably can't even pronounce. Shawty got that ass, my tracks will truly make it bounce. Home run, hit her for the hometown. In the long run, killing with my own sound.